How many times you have been in a situation when you think we have invested too much to quit, or we can't even think of quitting because we have put a lot into it? This is strong psychological effect. The tendency to continue investing just because you have invested your time, money, and effort in the past. Ironically, you do that even when the payoff or return on investment is no longer available. Ideally, our current decisions should not be based on past investments of time, money, and effort, but it is a strong effect. People let the past investments influence current decisions all the time. Such behavior may be called throwing good money, time, and effort after bad. Most popular example, Concorde fallacy. Concorde was a supersonic passenger jet, a joint project between French and British governments. After a period of significant investment, it was clear that the project was likely to be a bad financial investment. But due to sunk cost, they decided to continue with the project, causing further financial losses.
Patriotism, if you kill it, what do you put in it?
I did not kill it. It never lived. It never lived. There was no future for Concorde from the beginning.
Pursuing a career because of investment in education. Someone may have spent several years getting a degree. The investment in education is now a sunk cost. Once qualified, he wants to do something different. If he wishes to honor the sunk costs of education, he will continue to work despite not enjoying it. Or maybe you have purchased tickets to a drama or movie and now you're not feeling well and you need a complete rest. Still you decide to go just because you have spent on a ticket. We do it because we don't want to feel wasteful. In these situations, fear of failure is more than the desire for success. Be aware of your thoughts while making your current decisions. Are they saying to give attention to the past investments? Then don't. Because you have to forget the past and focus on current cost benefits only.